Here are the top 3 things that I wish I knew about my Shopify store before launching. I've had my Shopify store for almost a year, and I'm currently in the process of a relaunch. The top 3 areas in which I would have done a little bit more research and paid a little bit more time and attention to are themes, collections, and graphics. Let's start with themes. I started with one of the free themes, which was absolutely fine for beginning, but now that I know a little bit more about how Shopify functions and what I do and don't like about the site, I really know what I'm looking for. I really wanted the cart functionality to function better for me. So I decided to use what they call modal cart instead of a cart page itself. I really like how easy this is for my viewers to look at what they're checking out, and they can easily close that box and return to the previous screen they were on instead of having to navigate through the menu on the page or hitting their back button on their browser. I also really like the slideshow features. You can showcase a bunch of different products and collections that you offer and make important announcements, and they will be in a slideshow, which is easy to view for your customer. There are so many different themes to choose from. I would definitely recommend starting out with a free theme, and then as your budget allows, you can move into the paid themes and even hire somebody to create a theme completely customizable for you. The second thing that I wish I would have known more about when I started my shop are collections. Collections is a grouping of your products, and it allows for your customers to easily shop your site. On my main homepage now, I have a lot of different collections which somebody could click on, and then they will be able to see all of the products in that collection. I'm able to sort all of my products into those collections with either key titles, tags, or other criteria that I'm able to curate when I create my collection. And finally, the third topic in this little video is graphics. I really wish I would have paid more attention and put more time and effort into taking photographs of not only my products, but also myself working and headshots, so to speak, so that I could have some beautiful graphics ready to go that all have the same filters and color palettes so that I have a very cohesive and consistent aesthetic look on my site. So that's one of the main things I'm focusing on in my relaunch, is finding pictures that will work or taking new pictures to make them work, and also creating shop graphics. Now that I have more experience under my belt, I'm able to use my tablet to create those graphics. I also have a lot of help from Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and of course I love using Canva. I've been able to create a bunch of custom graphics to fit my shop and fit my current needs. Overall, I'm really happy with how my relaunch is coming out, and I cannot wait to show it to you. I'm hoping to launch by Saturday, April 10th, if not a day sooner. We'll see how it goes. I have a lot of work ahead of me, and I can't wait until you see the overhaul I've done on my site. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know down below if you have a Shopify or if you're thinking about a Shopify. Also, let me know what the next video is you'd like to see in my small business series. Remember, Wednesdays I post business videos, and Saturdays I post a day in the lives or studio vlogs. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!